So this is the first video on Arduino Uno programming, and this is project 1, which is for LED blink. Means by using this Arduino Uno board, we are actually going to design a project for a blinking LED. So this is your Arduino Uno board. As you can see, it's a very simple electronic board, and this port is for these two ports are for power supply. This one is to supply 5-volt USB power from your laptop or desktop directly. These are analog input and power terminals. These are digital PWM terminals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 13, ground, TX, RX, transmit, receive. Okay, so this is your Arduino Uno board. So using this and of course the software, we are going to do our first project. This is a simple basic breadboard. There is positive, there is negative line now, and other slots are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. So these 1 to 30, all these vertical these horizontal channels are actually internally sorted. Okay, so we are going to use this breadboard. Now this is one LED light, which is normally a 2-volt 20 milliampere LED. The longer leg is positive, which is anode, and the shorter leg is negative, which is cathode. Okay, so for any LED, this longer leg and there is a shorter leg, right? Anode is the long leg, cathode is the short leg. Okay, so we are also going to use this LED for our project. Now this is one carbon resistor. The value is 200 ohms. If you measure the resistance value using a multimeter, you will get around 200 ohms, or you could simply just decode the color coding. Apart from this, we are going to use these two connecting cables, or sorry, connecting wires. So these are the basic things required to to execute our project for blinking LED. Okay, so let us now do the hard wiring. Let us now complete the connection which is required for realization of our circuit for a blinking LED. So we are putting the longer leg to one channel, and of course the shorter leg to other channel. Okay, so one is positive and the other leg is negative, so they should not be placed on same horizontal points but on two different points. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are placing a carbon resistor of 200 ohms, okay, in series with this LED lamp. Okay, so we are connecting one terminal of the carbon resistor to the positive or the longer leg of the LED. Okay, and connecting the other terminal of the carbon resistor directly to the positive power supply. Okay, why this carbon resistor is placed in series with this LED lamp? This is done to simply limit the current flow through the LED. Okay, so by using the Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, where R is equal to V by I, could easily find out that what minimum resistance is preferred in series with a LED. Okay, so if it is a 2 volt 20 milliampere LED, so R is 2 volt divided by 20 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, so from this we could get the minimum value of the resistance which should be placed in series with the LED. Now the black wire we are connecting to the ground of Arduino board, and the other terminal of this black wire is connected to the negative, that is the solder leg of the LED. So our circuit is complete, our wiring is complete. Okay, the positive power to the LED is supplied from pin number 13 of the Arduino board through a resistor, and negative, which is ground, is directly supplied to the solder leg of the LED. Now we have connected the USB power 5 volt DC to the Arduino board, and by switching it on, let's see what happens. So we are using the laptop USB power, and now we have switched on. We have connected the USB to the laptop. Switch on, see the behavior of the LED here. Okay, this is the circuit diagram for this project which we have just completed. Let us write the program for this LED blink. So to do this, we need to open the Arduino software and file, new, file and new. So now we could easily write a very basic and simple code for our project. Okay, so we are writing the code for our project here, basic program. Okay, whatever command is written in Arduino programming is enclosed in curly bracket. Okay, so the command starts from a curly bracket and ends to a curly bracket. Okay, that is one important point which we must be careful of. So here we are writing the program. Okay, we are writing the program. The coding. So this is not a very complicated coding program. It's a very basic and simple program. After doing all your coding here, we need to simply load this program to our connected Arduino Uno board. To do so, just we need to click this arrow button, and as we can see at the bottom that the program is getting loaded. Now, so this is our program. Void setup, pin mode, LED built in, comma output, void loop, digital write, LED built in high, delay is 1000 initially. Now we are changing it to 5000. 5000 means 5 second. So if we change this to 5000, what we are changing the delay to 5000 from initial 1000, and this low is still 1000. So in this case, what will happen? A simple change in the program has changed the behavior of the LED. You can easily see this. Now the LED is high for 5 seconds but low for 1 second only. Now let us make this change again. What change we have made now? See the program carefully. The delay in high is changed to 5000 and the delay in low is also changed to 5000. Means 5 seconds high, 5 seconds low. See the behavior change in the LED. See the change in the behavior of the LED. It is 5 second high, 5 second low, 5 seconds on, 5 seconds off. So whatever behavior change is required in the blinking LED can be easily achieved by simply by simply making some changes in the program itself. Okay, so this is two-step program. First is void setup and second is void loop. Okay, fine. Now what changes has been done? Now the delay is 1000 means 1 second, 1 second, 1 second high, 1 second low. See the behavior change of the blink LED. So this is how the circuit is designed for a blinking LED, and this is how the programming is done using Arduino software and Arduino board. Okay, now let us make some interesting changes. We are actually changing here the digital write command, which was LED built-in comma high and LED built-in comma low. What we have done, we have made this high low. Okay, and we have made this low high, just interchanged. Okay, so LED will 1 second low and 1 second high. If we make both these low, LED will not switch on. If we make both these high, LED will not switch off. See the behavior? We have made both high, so it is continuous high. It is not getting low. It is 1 second high, 1 second low, means all time high. If we make this low, it is 1 second low, 1 second high, means all time low. If we make this low high, means 1 second low, 1 second high, 1 second low, 1 second high, and it's a loop. We have written a command for loop, so it will go on and on and on. Okay, so this is the first program using Arduino Uno, which is a very basic program for blinking LED. In the next video we will discuss some other program. Thanks for watching.